So I was starting all these side hustles, and Etsy was just one of those side hustles. So I was about 25, almost 26, and started applying all those corporate e-commerce principles to Etsy. And then that really took off, scaled to over 10K a month just by the fourth month. Did over $1 million in profit, about 1.7 in revenue before I was, I think it was before I was 30. And then started teaching this just 2 years ago. Most people start as a side hustle, right? Where they're doing it on the side in their own time. If you have an hour a day, you can absolutely do this. And you could make significant money over time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme platform. You could do print on demand. Like, you don't have to have inventory. You could even sell services through it. So you just create a listing, and that's where optimization is so important, because it is a search engine. I found through coaching and teaching that SEO, it's not intuitive, we should say, for most people. They just think of it like their product. They're not thinking what customers are searching, and which is why we created this platform, and it's AI-based. You upload a picture of your product, you answer a couple questions with the chatbot, and then it gives you your full optimized listing. Things that used to be things that I thought only I could do that would take my creative energy, we've trained it on all of my content and videos to really think like me. So now suddenly the things that took all my creative energy, that time can be cut in half now.